Good morning, children. How are you all? I think you all are fit and fine, beta. In today's GK session, my discussion point is Bridge the Gap. Topic once again, I'm repeating Bridge the Gap. Now, directly I'm coming to the content pages. Bridge the Gap. From log bridges to structures of steel and concrete, bridges are some of the world's best engineering marvels. Read about some famous bridges here. Children, initially in the early days, bridges are made up of wood, and when time changes, new technology has come. Nowadays, bridges are started to made with steel and concrete. So, today we will discuss about the bridges, world famous bridges and their technology. And what for we made bridge? What is the reason behind to make a bridge? Bridge just connect one side of the river to another side of that same river, just because of the ease of the transportation. So, first point is Brooklyn Bridge. Completed in 1883, the Brooklyn Bridge connects Brooklyn with Manhattan through the East River. Brooklyn Bridge is situated on East River and which connects two cities. Name of the cities are Brooklyn with Manhattan. For a long time, it was the longest suspension bridge in the world and has become an iconic landmark of New York City. The bridge has a wide pedestrian walkway open to cyclists and people on foot. That means the bridge has wide pedestrian walkway pathway the people who walks and for those people who go through the cycles only. Next point of discussion is Qingdao Haven Bridge. Qingdao Haven Bridge, the world's longest bridge over water, is the Qingdao Haven Bridge in China. So, where this bridge is situated? This bridge is situated in China. It was opened in 2007. The bridge is 42.4 kilometer long. See children, the length of the bridge 42.4 kilometer long. The bridge has 6 lanes to serve an estimated 30,000 cars each day. My God. So actually the road of the bridge is partitioned in 6 lanes, and it is made for estimated 30,000 car can pass through this bridge in a day. Next is Tower Bridge. Tower Bridge is a movable suspension bridge located in London. So, Tower Bridge is the famous bridge made up with movable suspension, is actually located in London over the river Thames. It is next to the Tower of London and has been an iconic symbol of London for decades. That means this bridge is bearing the social status prestige of London. It is actually an iconic symbol of London. It took 8 years for the construction to be completed and was done by the year 1894. How long it took for its preparation? It took 7 years long, and it is completed in the year of 1894. Next is the Bandra Worli Sea Link. Name of the bridge is Bandra Worli Sea Link, officially called the Rajiv Gandhi Sea Link in Mumbai, India. Was inaugurated in June 2009, linking the main island of Mumbai to its suburbs. So, Bandra Worli Sea Links able to connect main island of Mumbai to its suburban areas. This bridge is India's first 8-lane freeway over the open sea. This bridge is having 8 lanes. Through these 8 lanes, 8 categories of vehicles can pass through it throughout a day. The bridge has been built to reduce traffic congestion and to help commuters cut down their travel time. So, purpose of this bridge is clearly two. First of all is to reduce traffic jam and to help commuters cut down their travel time, because otherwise people has to follow other roads, and that road takes lots of time for any person to move one place to another. Next point of discussion is Pearl Bridge. Completed in 1998, the Pearl Bridge in Japan is the world's longest cable suspension bridge. So, where the Pearl Bridge is situated? The Pearl Bridge is situated in Japan and completed in 1998. This is actually the world's longest cable suspension bridge. The bridge connects the island of Awaji to Honshu. It connects actually two places. They are Awaji and Honshu. Before the bridge was built, the only way of commuting was the passenger ferry, which would often experience dangerous storms. So, before the creation of the bridge, only waterways are followed for movement of the people one place to another place. They are using water ferries only, and that are very much dangerous during the storms. Next, Sydney Harbour Bridge. Sydney Harbour Bridge located near the Sydney Opera House. The Sydney Harbour Bridge is a steel arch bridge across the Sydney Harbour. The bridge was opened in 1932 and was Sydney's tallest structure until 1967. So, Sydney Harbour Bridge was just a steel arch bridge located nearby the Opera House, which is opened in 1932. It is the one of the world's tallest steel arch bridge, measuring 134 meters from top to the sea level. What is the measurement? Measuring 134 meters from top to the sea level. The bridge is called the Queithanger. Find out why. Now I will come to the second portion of this lesson. Can you name the bodies of water on which these famous bridges stand? Here, children, name of the bridges are given. You just have to point out the river name on which this bridge is situated, constructed. First one is Howrah Bridge. This bridge is located or situated or constructed upon the river Hooghly. Next is Malao Bridge. This bridge is constructed upon the river Tarn. Next is Golden Gate Bridge. This Golden Gate Bridge is constructed on the Golden Gate Strait. Now I will come to the third category of this lesson. Draw lines to match the pictures with the form of bridges they are. Here we have to create a zigzag matching of the form of the bridges, means construction technology along with the bridge name. Number 1 structure, it is said to be the arched bridge. Whatever be the picture is given with number A, that construction is said to be the arched bridge. Number B construction is said to be the cantilever bridge. And number C construction of the bridge is said to be the suspension bridge. The number C category construction is said to be the suspension bridge. Okay, children. So, this much is for today's session. I will say now, or the time has come to say you goodbye. Take care, children, and stay safe.